Right here, number 5. Which function is equivalent to x squared plus 4x minus 45? Now, if you watched my previous video, then I'm going to do the shortcut method, okay? But again, you're more than welcome to do the full method that way if you'd like. So, the shortcut method, you get -9 and a positive 5. -9 and a positive 5. If you add those together, it gives you a -4. I am looking for a positive 4, so then those don't work. A positive 2 and a positive 15. A positive 2 and a positive 15. That gives you positive 17. Again, I'm looking for positive 4. That didn't work. The next one has a positive 8 and a -4. A positive 8 and a -4. That gives you positive 4. So that works. Right? But check the final test. Don't be lazy. If you were to multiply those numbers now, a positive 8 times a -4. If you multiply those, that gives you -32. I'm looking for a -45, which makes these two numbers incorrect. So letter D better work if now we did something wrong. 9, a positive 9, and a -5. If you add those numbers together, yeah, 9 minus 5, yeah, that's a positive 4. That's what I need, yes. And if I multiply a positive 9 and a -5, it does give me -45, which is what I need. Right? I needed a positive 4 and a -45 when I multiply them. So yeah, letter D is correct. Number 5. Which expression is equivalent to D plus 4 squared? Most times, students are going to do this and get it wrong. They're going to say this 2 goes with the letter D, so make it D squared. And then the 2 goes with the 4 to make it 4 squared. And then they're like, so I know that 4 squared means 4 times 4 equals 16. And they're going to do D squared plus 16. And the TSI is a jerk. And you're going to choose letter A here and you're going to get it wrong. Okay, but that is incorrect. Okay, the TSI is just messing around with you because they don't know. They're wanting to know, do you know what this even means? Do you know what the little 2 means? Well, when you have 5 squared, you do 5 times another 5. Okay, this means that there's 2 of them. That's what it means. Okay, same thing here. That 2 means that there's 2 of them. There's 2 of these D plus 4s. Like this. Okay? And then after this, you're free to do the full method if you like. But I'm going to just keep doing my shortcut method. I got a positive 4 and a positive 4. If I do positive 4 and a positive 4, if you add those together, it gives me a positive 8. So I need a positive 8 in the middle. That's the only one that has a positive 8, so that's my answer. Now, why is it 16? Because if you get those two numbers and you multiply a positive 4 times a positive 4, that gives you a positive 16. That's how they got the positive 16 there. That's why C is the answer here.